the truth.
And what is up guys, Nitros here, and today I have a bit of a problem organizing my shoes. So because of that, I ordered a package on Lazada that will help me out loads. So let's go unbox it. So before we unbox the package, I'd like to show you how I organized my shoes before. As you can see, it's actually quite messy. All of it's sticking around, it's all stacked up, and some of them are just lying around with no boxes. So I got my package right here. Let's go unbox it. So guys, let's start. So these are what the shoe boxes look like before we assemble them. So let's count. So there are 12 pieces in total in the box. So let's start assembling. So I assembled these 3 clear stackable shoe boxes, and I can already tell that they're a major improvement over these. So in total that's 3 down and I have 9 more to go. So I wanna not bore you with the whole time lapse of me assembling the rest of these. So I have a neat little trick that'll help me speed this up. So let's go. And we're back guys. So as you can see, all 12 of these guys are assembled, and I no longer have to store them in their own individual boxes anymore and stack them across there. And all I have to say is this is a amazing improvement compared to this. So I'd say if you had the same problem as me with all of them stacking like this is a good option. Anyway guys, I think that's a good way to end the video. I've been Nitros. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Anyway guys, I've been Nitros, and bye!